officially kicking off this campaign. We've been talking about it for a while now, and just glad that everybody's here to support us and to go along with us in this journey. So with that, it's my husband, Dominic, Selvera.
Thank y'all so much for coming out. Man, it really means a lot to me to have a lot of friends and family, new people I've met today. You know, it's a long journey ahead of us, so anytime we have an event and people show up, man, it really does mean a lot. Anyone here like watching TED Talks? Anyone heard of them?
Yeah.
Well, luckily, my wife Nisa introduced me to one by a guy named Adam Foss. He's a former prosecutor in Boston, Massachusetts. And in 2016, he gave a TED Talk on a prosecutor's role in making a better criminal justice system. And when I heard it, I really felt the sincerity. I felt that he wanted to do good things in his prosecutor's office in Boston. He asked a couple of questions of the audience that I think are going to be relevant to our race for the Travis County Attorney's Office. By a show of hands, who here before the age of 25 ever acted up in school? Anyone? Anyone ever drink alcohol before the age of, before the legal age? Anyone ever get into a physical fight, even with a sibling? Did anyone spend one day in jail as a result of those youthful actions? Does anyone feel that they're a danger to society or that they should be judged by those actions that they may have committed when they were young? I couldn't agree more. And that's why I'm running for Travis County Attorney in 2020. The system that we have now, it's a system that's broken. We know that because we currently have 2.2 million people locked up in our jails and prisons in the United States. And to put that into context, if our incarcerated population were a city, it'd be the 5th largest city in the country. It would be between Houston at 2.3 million and Phoenix at 1.6 million. We have 5% of the world's population here in America, but we incarcerate 25%. And when you look at those numbers on a national level, I mean, they're just staggering. I mean, you just can't believe or picture that many people who are locked up and in jail. But what really concerns me is that in order to end mass incarceration, we've got to attack it at the local level. We have got to start in Travis County. So that means we have to take a look at who is inside our Travis County jail. On a day-to-day basis in 2019, we have 2,200 people who are locked up in Travis County jail. 2,200 brothers, sisters, moms and dads with kids that they're not able to take care of. 70% of those people who are locked up haven't been convicted of a crime. Now we're talking about low-level misdemeanor crimes. We're not talking about felonies. So these are people who, the only reason that they're locked up and unable to get out is because they can't afford bail. They're not able to buy their constitutional rights to get out of jail. We can change that. It can start with questioning our elected officials, questioning people who are running for elected office. We have to hold them to task and make sure that their values align with ours. And so that's why I'm running. The 3 things that I really believe in are decriminalizing marijuana, ending cash bail, and decriminalizing offenses that target the homeless. And when we're talking about the homeless, we're talking about people who are at their most vulnerable, people who have nothing. They're on the streets. They're living in cardboard boxes held together by duct tape. So when they're arrested for criminal trespass, for no sit, no lying ordinances that the city of Austin has, they're going from a bad situation to worse. Because when they get out of jail, all their belongings are gone. They're starting from scratch with nothing. Not to mention that when they're arrested, it makes it less likely that they're going to get the mental health services that they need or any type of services to help them get temporary housing. That's one of the major problems. When we talk about marijuana in Travis County, we know that it's illegal. There's nothing we can do about it. But what we can do is make sure that for the people who may enjoy it, for our veterans who need it to deal with their post-traumatic stress disorder, there's no reason that we should have veterans going through the criminal process, going to court, and facing criminal charges because they need relief. And they're choosing to stay away from opioids. They're choosing to use the safer alternative. There's no reason we should be prosecuting our veterans. The biggest problem that we have with the Travis County Attorney's Office is their refusal to address the cash bail issue. That's the reason we have 2,200 people in our jail. That's the reason we're spending $180 million with the Travis County Sheriff's Office. It's because of cash bail. If we were to make changes, policy changes at the County Attorney's Office, it could make a huge difference. Now, the County Attorney's Office doesn't dictate cash bail, but they have a lot of influence over what the judges decide. And if those judges aren't willing to get on board, we need to question them and vote them out of office. A couple of things that we have to consider when we're talking about making changes is accountability and having a safer community. We need accountability for people who may have been accused of committing crimes. Accountability does not always equal jail time. There are ways through diversion programs, through community service, where we can address those issues without having people put in jail on a long-term basis. We also need accountability for our elected officials, that they're doing what's right for the community. And locking people up who haven't been convicted of a crime does not make our community safer. It takes away mothers from their children. It takes away people from their jobs. If someone